Every week, Garden City High School's library hosts Tinker Lab Tuesdays and Workshop Wednesdays. Any student can come in from 7:20 to 7:45 a.m. on Tuesdays and from 3 to 4 o'clock p.m. on Wednesdays. Here, students can come try out new technology and learn new crafts such as knitting or even building bridges. At the beginning of the year, students were able to extract DNA from plants. Students can also play around with 3D printing and even use a 3D pen. The unique opportunity is open to any students interested. This is a great way to express creativity, pick up something new, or relearn a trade. Other activities such as sewing and using a green screen have been done. Not only is this a chance to learn, but this is a chance for you to hang out with your friends and have fun. There's no need to sign up, but it is first come first serve, so make sure you come early to get a spot. So bring a friend to the next Tinker Lab or Workshop Wednesday for some cool and exciting things to try out. From BBS TV, I'm Tom Wynn.